Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change password on Doordash account. So to change your password, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service and also make sure to log in into your Doordash account. So to log in into your account, you'll need to provide in either your phone number, email address, and then a password. Once you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and on this interface, you'll be able to see something like this. So to change your password, click on the account button located in the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to the account info page, and on your account there are multiple options. So from the list, you need to click on profile, which is right on top. After you click on account, you'll be taken to the account info page, and right over here you'll be able to see all of your information. So to change your password, click on change password, which is located in the bottom left corner of your screen. After that, you need to type in your old password for the confirmation or the verification. And once you're done typing your old password, you need to create or enter in the newly created password right over here. Also, you need to type in twice for the confirmation. So enter in all of these information quickly. Once you're done with this procedure, click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom. And as you can see that you'll be logged out of your account. So you need to log in into your account once again with your newly created login credential. So click on either one of these following options and then continue to log in into your account. Now you'll need to enter in your email address. So type in the email address. Now type in the newly created password. After done entering all of these information, click on the sign in button, which is located right at the bottom. And as you can see that I'm logged in, which means that my password has been successfully changed. In this way, you can change your password on Doordash account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.